Hello, my name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant, and I'm so excited. Today we're going to be making electrolyte jello with gelatin and these awesome electrolytes. All you're going to need for this is some gelatin. This is Great Lakes gelatin. I'll put it down in the description box. I've linked to it. And also, this is Relights, one of the best electrolytes. It is so tasty, and it's from underground caves, so it avoids microplastics, has the right balance of minerals to keep you hydrated and feeling good all day. They also have an unflavored. If you don't like the flavors, you can have no stevia in the unflavored, and you can use my code GrassFedGirl, and I'll put the link down below to save on your first order. As far as equipment, you need a measuring cup, some boiling water. I have my kettle here, and an 8x8 pan. This is glass. And then I'm just gonna use a fork to mix it up. In this video, I'm gonna show you two ways to make gelatin. One is quick and easy, and the other one is the traditional way. You can bloom the gelatin in cold water, but I've done it a million times without doing that, and it works just great. So I have everything out here. Here's my gelatin. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of that. Then I'm gonna use 2 scoops of my Relight. This is the lemon lime. And then you've got your boiling water here. And I'm gonna do 1 cup. 2 cups. Now, just mix it up real good. This is a quick version. Now, if you wanna bloom your gelatin, go ahead. And you just stir it up like that. Okay, so now it's all mixed up. Looks really good. And we're just gonna put it in the fridge for probably about 2 hours. Gelatin is great for hair, skin, nails, joints. It is super amazing stuff. We used to eat a lot of meat on the bone a long time ago, and we've lost that. And we used to eat a lot of bone broth. And so if you are not eating a lot of that and you're eating just like skin breast chicken, then skinless chicken, then you're gonna be missing out on all the things that have gelatin, which comes from the bones. So this is a really good brand. It's called Great Lakes, and I'll put a note in the description so you can link to it. If you ever travel to other countries, they have tons and tons of bone broths cooking in the streets. It's like street food, and you know, they'll boil pig's feet, and you know, in Thailand and everywhere else all over the world, they eat meat on the bone. But here in America, we just eat you know, chicken tenders or whatever, and so we don't get that amazing gelatin and collagen that comes, and that is very helpful to keep you looking young, and your body can't really make that on its own, so you really need to get that from bones and bone broth and all that stuff, and from gelatin. If you don't know my story, I've been healing Hashimoto's with a carnivore diet for over 5 years, and I've been on an ancestral diet for over 10 years, and it's really helped me a lot, and I know that these kinds of diets will help you too. So please share and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks so much. This time we're gonna bloom our gelatin with the cold water. So you just take 2 tablespoons, and you put it in your cold water, and just gonna mix that up and let it sit for a couple minutes. Just put your 2 scoops of your Relight. I have the lemon lime here, into your bowl. I don't have another 8x8, so this will just have to work. And then you're going to put 1 cup of boiling water into the Relight. And then you're going to put in your bloom gelatin over here and mix it all together. See how that got really thick over here in the water? Now you're just gonna put this into the fridge. So this is your other version, and you're gonna put this into the fridge. Okay, so these have been sitting over 2 hours, and I wanna show you the first one where we didn't bloom the gelatin. So you can see how it looks. And then this is the other one where we did bloom the gelatin. I guess this one looks a little more clear. So now we're gonna taste them. Okay, here's the first one. Let's taste it. So good. I freaking love this stuff. It's so cool in the summer and refreshing. It's got a lemon lime flavor and sweet, but not too sweet. Oh, if you like it a little, see this is pretty firm, so if you like it a little more soft, you can always add more water. And it's kind of in between gummies and Jello, but that's what I like. See, it's a little bit. Okay, so I didn't bloom the gelatin on that one. So let's see if there's any difference. This is the bloomed gelatin in the round one, okay? So let's see. This one feels even more firm. Okay, I think this one's even more firm, but it's the same exact thing. Remember, 2, 2, 2. 2 scoops of electrolytes, 2 scoops of electrolytes, 2 scoops of gelatin, and 2 tablespoons of gelatin and 2 cups of water. So if you want it more soft, just add maybe another half a cup or another whole cup of water, and it'll probably still, but the more water, the less likely it is to gel. So be careful about adding too much water. This has lots of joint healing properties and it's really good for you. And it's great for kids, you know, it's a fun treat for kids without a lot of junk in it, and they will love it. So let me know down below if you're gonna make it and what you think of this gummy gelatin recipe. And if you want me to make gummies with a mold, I can make that next. So let me know down below. Another thing I wanted to mention is this would be great on a protein sparing modified fast if you're doing something like that where you don't want to eat a lot of calories. This has like almost no calories and tons of protein, so no carbs. A lot of gelatin is made out of pork, so you don't want to get that kind because it's not as good. So just get the beef one. Thank you so much for watching my video all about electrolytes. You can use my code GrassFedGirl and use the link below and save on your first order. And also get the gelatin that I used in this recipe. Make sure to get my Carnivore ebook. It's all about how to do the carnivore diet the right way with 182 recipes. So many tips and tricks about how to do it with your family around and with holidays and all that kind of stuff. Meal plan, shopping list, and so much more. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this recipe down in the comments. Would you make it? Would you try it? Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.